How to create a Sephora account. I'll be using Google. You can use any other browsing app. At first, we'll type sephora.com in our search bar. Then we can officially reach to Sephora's website. And in the bottom, we can see in me, there is sign in and create account. We'll tap on create account and then add our email address. Then after adding the email address, we'll tap on continue. Then we have to add our first name and then our last name. Then we have create a genuine password containing 6 to 12 characters. And then we'll have to add our phone number and also click below in the Sephora's marketing text alerts. And then we will have to add our birth date and birth month so that we will have free gift every year on our birthday. And then we'll have to add our postal or zip code. Then we'll tap on keep me signed in so that we'll keep on sign in. Then we can tap on join now, and now we can see that our account is created and we are getting beauty preferences. We can even choose it or skip the questions. And now as we can see that our Sephora account is finally created, so that now we can finally see and buy our favorite products.